Question is for the judges, especially yung mga first time. So what's your personal criteria for what makes a contestant deserving of the title PGT champion? At saka, how does it feel, you have the power to change someone's life ba, with one vote? Or the judge?
Judges, ladies first.
Miss Eugene siguro, let's start.
Ako na muna. Ang ganda ng tanong, thank you. Ang hirap ng tanong because bawat act, iba yung nararamdaman ko eh. Personally. Parang minsan, gusto ko makita na napaka-talented. Pero minsan, pag may humarap sa'yo na hindi naman talaga ganun ka-extraordinary yung talent, pero grabe. Sobra yung charm, sobra yung sense of humor, talagang namamagnetize yung audience so that, in other words, I cannot really pinpoint what I am looking for. Most of the time, it's gut feel. And most of the time, I go to the basic, which is, masarap ka bang panoorin? Yeah. Alam mo yung ganun. So, that's what I think. That's what I observed from the past tapings that we already have.
Hi, good afternoon. Okay, that's a very beautiful question. Sige, I'll start muna with the first one. My personal criteria, just for me, myself. I think, of course, unang-una is the uniqueness. Kasi this is season 7, so ang dami nang nagdaan sa Pilipinas Got Talent, especially FMG has been here since season 1. And siya yung nagsasabi sa amin na parang I've seen this, ganyan. And kami naman bago lang dito. So, when I say uniqueness, it can be singing, pero parang your own flavor. It can be dancing as a group or dancing individually, pero ano yung talent na kahit na panoorin ko siya ngayon and 5 years from now, ito yung klaseng performance na hindi ko makakalimutan at saka yung klaseng performance na kaya ko siyang panoorin 5 years from now tapos ma-amaze pa rin ako. That's hard. Kasi diba, ang daming pwedeng kumanta, sumayaw, or kung anong mga acts na pati kami na surpresa pwede nilang gawin. Pero parang ang hirap ng performance na tatatak sa'yo and some performance na mag-represent sa Philippines, di ba? So it's really hard. And pangalawa siguro yung uniqueness and then of course talent. We're looking for all kinds of talent, kung ano man yan. And pati kami mga judges nasusurprise na kanya-kanyang talento ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng kalokohan na naging talent. Ang interesting niya panoorin. So every time nandito kami to tape, para kaming, akala ko medyo chill lang siya eh. Since, sa studio. Pero it's draining. Emotionally, all emotions. Parang lahat ng tao makakausap mo. And it's different when you're up there. And makikita mo siya ng malapit, yung mga nag-perform. And lastly, siguro, I'm looking for your passion, just like us artists, diba? Iba siguro, if yes, you have a talent, but it really, parang iba yung nabibigay ng fire within you, your passion. So, nararamdaman namin na if you're just doing it for the sake of winning, for the money, or if you're just doing it para mag-trending, or pinapakita mo yung talent mo because you want to showcase world-class Filipino talent, then that's different. So, for me, a unique talent, then that's a champion. So I'm looking for those 3 things.
Grabe naman yun. First of all, before I answer the question, gusto ko lang sabihin, ang ganda-ganda ng trailer. First time namin mapanood yun. Diba guys, hindi pinapakita sa amin kasi gusto nilang surprise. So, maraming salamat sa prod team. Congratulations guys. Nakaka-good vibes, nakaka-excite. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Alright, so to answer your question, siguro para sa akin, it's what type of performance will move the room. The type of performance na after ninyong mapanood, mag-shift yung environment. Ang ganong klaseng performance. Kasi ang dami namin nakikitang talent and sometimes it goes beyond that eh. You look at the charisma, you look at the personality, you look at how they conduct themselves. So I think we're also looking within. Yung nakikita natin na gaano ba kalala yung fire nila. How bad do they want this? Ganun. Kasi marami din kami nakita talent na okay lang yung nakita nating fire. So, there's a lot that goes into it. And we always talk about it as judges or even with the hosts, to even answer your second question, ano yung feeling na mayroon kaming sort of power or say sa magiging next big thing or the winner of this contest? Of course, it's a very big responsibility. But I think because everyone here is really putting in all of their efforts to really come up with the best possible way we can fairly judge and critique all these contestants. I think the production did a good job in making sure na lahat ng sasabak dito, everyone has a fair chance. And dito, since first time ko sa PGT, dito ko lang nakita talaga na ibang klase yung talento ng Pinoy na kailangan talaga makita ng world stage. So yun yung hinahanap. Yun yung puso ng show. So, yeah, and it's been a crazy experience so far. The most intense thing is never namin malalaman kung ano ba o sino bang makita natin to walk out of this stage, and that's what makes it so cool. So just to be part of this, it's truly a blessing.
Alam nyo, surprisingly, ang gagaling ng mga bagong judges namin.
Thank you, Sir Freddy!
Ako naman, I've been judging for the last 6 years, and this is 7th year. Masyado na akong jaded, nakita ko ng lahat eh. So it's so difficult for me to look for that right talent that would make a difference. But definitely nga po. There's only one word that will describe. Yung wow factor. Pag tinamaan ka niya, alam mo na, eto na yun. Which they described in so many words, no? How the room will change with Donnie, right? How it affects you. But it's really hard to judge. And these people are so nice na mabait sila sa mga talents. Na pag nando sila, nilalapitan pa nila. At sabihin siya, umulit ka ulit yan, magaling ka naman. So I love working with these people.
Well, my second question is for Robbie and diba, Melay. May hapon, Melay.
May hapon masaya.
Okay, I know PBB is a lot different, pero syempre, it's still a popular show. Pero may advice ba kayo sa mga contestants sa PGT?
Ako ang advice ko sila, humingi sila ng advice iba. Hindi, ang advice ko lang sa kanila is, alam mo, kapag sumali ka naman, at kahit nga nagtatrabaho ka araw-araw, ang gawin mo lang naman is, do your best. And God will do the rest, di ba? So, pag ginawa mo na ang best mo, manong ka ba, may-yes ka ba dyan, basta yung sarili mo na kontento ka, approve. Di ba? Okay na ba yung sarili?
Magkaibang ano siya, magkaibang programa. Kasi doon sa isang programa na yun, kung saan kami galing nila.
Yes.
Sobrang, alam na namin kung paano. Hindi naman namin sobrang alam kung paano yung formula, no? Pero, doon kasi magpapakatotoo eh, di ba? Dito, yes, kailangan pakatotoo, pero ipakita mo yung galing at talento mo. Dahil naharap ka agad-agad sa power judges natin. At kailangan mo ako ng yes. And I think, kailangan mo ipakita yung galing at talento ng Pinoy. That's the basic component.
Okay. Siguro kung hindi kayo PGT host, if you were contestants, ano kayong talent makikita namin sa inyo? For fun lang.
Ako
That's
siguro,
my last question.
Ako siguro ang gagawin ko, sing and dance with a twist.
Paano yung twist na yun?
Habang nagsiswimming.
Serena?
Hindi, tsaka nga, pero gagawin mo talaga ang best. May rehearsal ka to the yan, kasi syempre hindi pa basta-basta ang mga judges na. So, kailangan mo lagyan ng twist. Para talagang ma-amaze, mapasabi talaga si FMG na wow. Diba?
I think yung ginagawa ko palagi sa PGT ngayon, talento na. To be with Melay. Diba? Tatagal ka kasama nito, kaya saludo ko kay Jason.
Hoy!
Ang galing-galing mo. Ikaw ang pinaka-talented na tao na kilala ko.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Natalie.
Salamat po.